YouTube, what's good, man? Welcome to Cheese Fences. Please like and subscribe. So today we've got a very different type of video for you today. Different type of video. It's been a long time since we've done a ranking video. We're going to be ranking all of our signings this season. Obviously, it's international break, so there's nothing to talk about. So let's just rank our signings, see how they fade out. We're going to be ranking all 7 of them, putting them in tiers. So let's dive in, man. So to bring the video off, we'll be doing Serino. Let's start off with Serino. Signed from Sundowns on a free. Honestly, he's showing himself that he's 33, too slow. Loses his head, gets a lot of yellow cards. We're signing a Sundowns reject again. We're signing a fully depreciated asset from Sundowns. Zero value for Sundowns. If Sundowns is willing to let you go easily, it means you're not that good. Yeah, well, that's why I'm going to put him in the excellent tier. I got you. Excellent tier for Serino. Honestly, our best player this season next to Shabalala. What a signing, man. Fits in like a glove. Yeah, well, you can see he's a level above the rest. That's what he's got the Dolly effect. Remember when Dolly came, you could see, yo, there's levels to this. Yeah, well, he's a level above the rest, and Serino's definitely been that. Obviously, our talisman. When we're losing a game, we're looking for him to get us the assist or goal. Saved us against Magesi. He opened the floodgates against Supersport. He is our player, man. When we're facing big teams, we're always looking for Serino to do something for us. And I don't want us to over-rely on him. He must be. Serino mustn't be the missing part of the jigsaw. He must be like part of the jigsaw. We can't be relying on Serino to save us all the time. So, yeah, man, he's 33. And my only concern about Serino is that he might be injury prone. Yeah, well, but what a signing, man. What a signing. 3 assists and 1 goal in the league. Yeah, well, could be, and two goals actually if you count the cup games and an assist. So he's got around 7 goal contributions this season. That's a lot, especially in the PSL. So Serino, I'll put him in the excellent tier. I think that's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. It is worthy of the number 10. And then we're moving on to Miguel. I'd say good because he's definitely better than Msimangwe Ditlogwe, but gets a lot of bookings, man. 2 suspensions already this season. Yeah, well, I think he's very good, but I think he's a player who loses his head. Yeah, well, like Serino again, he fits in like a glove, man. Fits in like a glove. He's got this aura about him. Yeah, well, he's got this aura. He looks like he's played in Portugal. I think he's played in Portugal when he was young or like earlier in his career. He looks like he could play in the Portuguese league or in Europe. Yeah, well, Nacio Miguel, I think when we play Cape eventually, he's one player that his experience will come in handy, man. Yeah, well, I'm happy about Ignacio Miguel. The reason I'm putting him at good again is because of he loses his head, man. He loses his head. I don't know if Kilebanta when he has the armband, I don't know that the Chiefs armband has a lot of another part there, I think. But yeah, Ignacio Miguel good. And then moving on to Jabulo Blom. It's difficult, man. It's difficult. I'm stuck between good and average. Yeah, well, I want to say I'm gonna put him at average. I'm gonna put him at average. I like this thing of fighting fitness, man. I don't know, like, is he running a marathon? He's been fighting fitness for like 2 months now. He has to be starting our games, yeah, well. And there hasn't been a game where I'm like you on Jabulo Vlom is it's a 7 or 8 or 9 out of 10, yeah, well. That's why, but I know the quality's still there. You saw good see how he was carrying up for Zwane in the Sundowns game. Like, he definitely is a starter, yeah, well. And the reason I'm putting him at average is not because he's an average player, but what we've seen so far, yeah, well, there's a little sample space to judge him on. Yeah, well, so that's why I'm gonna put Jabulo Blom as an average signing. Yeah, well, but he can easily become good and excellent within 2 or 3 games. Yeah, well, this is not a permanent ranking of Jabulo Blom. And then moving on to Cross. Good. Yeah, but good. Defensively, you can't fault him for nothing. Defensively, one of the best left backs this season in the PSL. Yeah, well, I just want to see more attacking wise from him. So I'm going to put him at the good tier. Cross is if he can fix his attacking play, then he's on par with Hoto and all those players, man. I was when I rejected him a few years ago, but I think those 2 years or a year that he spent at Arrows has really helped him develop to be the player that he is today. Yeah, well, at least we've seen what he's done over the past 2 years. PSL proven. Yeah, well, The goals that against Sundowns, they didn't come from his side. Very good player, and I think he's one for the future. One for the future. Let's move on to the goalkeeper, Ndwari. Everybody hates this guy. Everybody hates Ndwari, but he's a decent shot stopper. He's a decent shot stopper. One thing I'll say is that Ndwari, his distribution isn't at the level required. It's not at the level required, as I said before, Uguti. If you can't distribute, then we're in a whole lot of trouble. Yeah, well, because I think Nabi is a ball playing coach. Yeah, well, he's got ball playing centre backs in Rufosla. I mean, Inacio Miguel and Dotley, ball playing centre backs, and then a fullback like Fosla can play in a. He's basically a passing, playing from the back kind of fullback. Yeah, we're not afraid to have the ball. So if he's not a ball playing goalkeeper, then he messes up the system. Yeah, well. So, but he will come good. He will come good. As a ranking, I think you have to put him at bad. You have to put him at bad. He's not at the level required. He's not at the level required. With too many goals being conceded. I know someone of his fault, but the Makesi goals, the Sundowns goals, like you have to question him. You have to question him. I think PSL. I think the Chiefs management was lazy in scouting, because they just signed a good goalkeeper. Yeah, like a keeper who's had a few good seasons in the PSL or one good season with TS Galaxy. You should be getting what suits the coach who's coming in. Yeah, well, what if Ndwari is good for someone like Mulefenseki, but he's not good for necessarily a Nabi? Yeah, well, that's what I said. I think the board has full control over signings. Yeah, well, because Sam, Dotley, and Ndwari were signed before Nabi came, or in and around the time Ndwari was signed. Yeah, well, maybe Nabi did approve, but the board does sign players for themselves. I'm telling you, the board does sign players for themselves. And I think Ndwari is a board signing, not a Nabi signing. So I think he will be replaced if he's not up to this level required. Bongani Sam. Hey, it's hard, man. It's hard. But I can't say much, man. I can't say much. Let's just put him at average. I want to say better. Let's put him at average. I don't know if he's injury prone or. No, I'm putting him at bad. Bad. At bad, because why are you injured so much, my guy? Because we need someone to replace Cross when he's tired. And for me, doesn't Bongani Sam remind you of Epimashiane? Like basically a left wing back who's played left wing, I can play left back, but then a second full back. Yeah, but we just signed another Mashiane. Yeah, well, the first signing, that's a board signing, because we signed Bongani Sam very, very early. Yeah, well, maybe we signed him for squad depth, man. I think he's literally like a copy and paste of my Epimashiane. Like Epimashiane, like Bongani Sam is the Paris version of Epimashiane, literally, and we signed him. I don't know why we made this signing, but if it means Mashiane might leave, then it means Mashiane might leave. So I'll give Bongani Sam a bad rating. And the last but not least, Bartley, excellent. He hasn't put a foot wrong. A ball playing centre back, like he's everything that you need in a centre back. Like the man, like he's so composed, man. I can see why he plays for. Imagine playing for the squad when you're playing for a team that got relegated. Like he's the equivalent of a Luton Town defender playing for England and then being signed by Man City or Man United. That's how good Dotley is, and a team from Russia wants him. I don't think he'll stay. I can see why a team from Russia wants him. He's got the body. He can play. Maybe I'm tripping there, but I think his ceiling, like his highest point, he can play for like in the Spanish or Portuguese or the Spanish league, especially playing for like the Mallorca or something. He's got the body. He's got the technical ability. He's got the defending. Like he suits football. Like for me, he's a Rolls Royce. Have you seen like? I support Man United, and I love Varane. Varane is one of my favorite centre back of all time. Like they call him a Rolls Royce because he's so powerful, but he does it so like. Have you seen a Rolls Royce? Like I haven't been in a Rolls Royce, but have you seen cars like where they're powerful, but you don't have to like shape so no, like he's so composed and he and like. I can't explain it, man. I can't explain it. That's why, like, he's so relaxed. He's so powerful, but he doesn't fight. Like, he doesn't do it roughly. You can see what he's gifted. Yeah, bro. And he does his job so well. Yeah, bro. So, Dotley, I'll put him at the excellent here. And that's the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. On Monday we're gonna do a live video on Monday late. I think I'm gonna release this video on Monday, and then in about a few hours time I'll do a live stream talking about the news this week. So please like and subscribe, guys. I'm out.